Hi, my name's Ken Granderson, and I specialize in creating software applications using the most modern, up-to-date technologies that seek to engage, educate, and empower underserved communities and communities of color. That's what I've been doing for the past 30 years. My main business is blackbacks.com, where you can go online right now, any day, and learn about Black History events for the day, or search events. And you on our news site, you can actually read Black related news from over 200 sources around the globe. And if you're an educator, please check out our diversity schoolhouse system, which allows you to teach Black history and ethnic studies on any internet connected device, from big smart boards on your wall to the smartphone that you might have in your hand. And it is actually Asian American History Month, and we have a series on Asian American visionaries that we're showcasing in the emails that we're sending out this month. Anyway, this is a quick demo on a project called Voting While Black, which is one of a couple of things that I'm doing in the space of civic engagement. It's a personal interest thing because I think of technology solutions and build them all the time. It's kind of what I do. Voting While Black was initially created as an entry to a competition that we did not get. So we actually have data for North Carolina and New York State. But and the bigger picture that's described here is the idea of doing gamified campaign competitions between different groups to do voter registration drives and other sorts of things. But the demo that I want to show you right now lets you look up your voter registration info. Like I said, it works for New York State and North Carolina, but the North Carolina is a separate URL. Anyway, I just want to do a quick demo to show you, these are the sorts of things that I do and I'd like to do more of in conjunction with organizations or folks that work in the public sector, because again, my specialty is using the most advanced technologies, not the entry level kind of stuff that you usually see in our communities. And when I say our, born and raised in Bed-Stuy, came back to Bed-Stuy. I've been doing this sort of work since a decade after I graduated from MIT, because I left town, but I came back. Anyway, take a look at what this does. We're using voice recognition and artificial intelligence behind the scenes.
I can help you find out if you are registered to vote in New York. All I need is your first and last names, your year of birth, and your zip code. Tell me those now, and I will look you up and see if you are in the New York voter rolls.
My name is Ken Granderson. I was born in 1963, and my zip code is 11213. And
Thanks, Ken. One moment please while I look you up. Ken, it looks like there are a few possible results that could be you. Please give me the number of the result that corresponds to you, or if you are not listed, then just say, I'm not listed.
And just so you know, the really long pause that I had is because this is the proof of concept version that is not as advanced as another version that I have installed on my local machine, where I actually have like a conversation, a back and forth conversation. So I wanted to be silent for a while so that it didn't think I was still talking. But anyway, I purposely gave it some incorrect information so you can see, it brought up, a bunch of different possibilities. This is actually me. And so, oops, didn't mean to do that. Yeah, so here's an example of what the system does now. Again, the bigger picture, you can actually talk through setting up a voter registration drive and how you want to get notifications, what your goals are, blah, blah, blah. This is a side project, so I don't know how quickly I'm going to be posting my updated version, but just wanted to share this as an example of the kind of things that I do. And I would love to connect with local organizations or folks, in politics to see if we can partner together and bring some of the most current technologies to bear to help move our communities forward and improve civic engagement. So, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Speak soon. Okay, bye.